गुड इवनिंग सर, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन।
Yes, ma'am.
जैसे गुरमीत जी ने भी बताया, आई एग्री विद हिम एंड आई एग्री विद नीलम जी ऑल्सो। Decluttering of the mind on a daily basis is very, very important. So you have not just made us consistent in our daily practices, but one big thing and the change that I find within myself is that you have heightened the awareness of what I feel, what I think daily. And
Yeah.
I now know, because I'm living in a constant state of awareness, I know how to shift my energies. I'm feeling angry. No, this is harming me. This is not just harming me, but people around me as well. और दुनिया में बहुत गुस्सा है, ऑलरेडी नेगेटिविटी है. तो शुड आई कंट्रीब्यूट टू इट और शुड आई हील इट विद माय इनर हीलिंग? तो मैं शिफ्ट करती हूँ. तो वो बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज मुझे लगी फॉर द लास्ट 1 or 2 years सिंस आई ज्वाइंड इन 23. और उसके साथ-साथ वो मुझे शिफ्ट कैसे करनी है? तो मैंने जैसे-जैसे आपकी बातें सुनती जाती हूँ ना, तो वो अवेयरनेस इट एनहांसेस बाय एंड बाय विजुअलाइजेशन से कि आई एम फीलिंग एंग्री. नो, आई एम visualizing myself in connection with God or with the person I love the most or with some book that I have enjoyed reading, or I visualize a place where I
Mm.
enjoyed the moment. That vision comes into my mind immediately. I have a fertile imagination being a writer. So I can imagine instantly and my energy shifts.
Wow. Very beautiful way, right? Because you are a writer and
Yes.
you're teaching so many people, right? Because teaching में भी तो creativity चाहिए ना explanation के लिए, है ना?
हाँ जी,
So
हाँ
now
जी.
that visual creativity, you connect to that to change your energy.
Yes, yes, yes. So that awareness, the heightening of the awareness, credit goes to Sumit sir. Thank you so much. Thank you
Because
so much.
the only thing you have been consistent, ma'am, है
Mm.
ना? Because every day I will put one seed in your mind
Mm-hmm.
about this, visualize this,
Yes.
and then you train your mental faculties
Mm-hmm.
to think
Exactly.
in that manner, and
Mm-hmm.
slowly it becomes like a muscle. The more you use that creative muscle, the more it becomes
Mm-hmm.
stronger, and now
Mm-hmm.
it's faster to connect. And whenever a tragedy or trauma will happen in a life, which will happen once in a while, every month or something, right? Something will happen, right?
Yeah, it is inevitable, sir. Yeah.
Inevitable.
Mhm.
Then you can come out of the trauma or the emotional blockage very faster because now you have trained the muscles to come out.
Plus, the productivity is also much better than before. I've
Of
been
course.
able to, yeah, I have been able to create that book also. And then when I told about the promotion interview also, so I visualized that scene, which I experienced inch by inch, as I told you in detail as well.
Yeah, yeah,
So my productivity, my creativity has also increased many folds.
of
So
course.
I'm
Right.
calmer, more productive, more creative, healthier, and healing myself, and I'm able to heal people around me. Thank you.
Beautiful. Everybody clap कीजिए डॉक्टर मंजुला के लिए.